Hi! Today, I'm going to be showing my mail project from CS50 web dev with Python and JavaScript. It's a single-page email client that uses JavaScript to talk to the Django backend API. So let me quickly log in. Here I'll log in as foo@example.com with the password. And here I'll log in at baz@example.com with the password. So I'm going to be simulating two different users communicating with each other via the mail client. So this is the inbox page. This is where you're redirected to by default. And currently it has nothing because we just created the accounts are empty. So let's change that by composing an email to baz@example.com. I'll say hello. How are you? This is an email. So I submit, and when I reload, straight off I see something in my inbox from foo@example.com saying hello at this time. And of course, it was white before, but now when I clicked it, it became gray because that signifies I've already read it. So, and when I click it, of course, I see some more details. For example, I can see the description, the timestamp, the subject, who it was sent from, and obviously it's to me. And then I can either reply to it or archive it. Let me show you how we reply to it. So when I reply to it, the to is already filled in, obviously, because I'm going to reply to the person who sent me the email. And the subject is filled in with RE, saying reply. So here I can just go down and write, I'm good, thank you. Now when I submit, if I go here, in my inbox, there's a reply to hello at that time, and when I click it, I can see all the details, as you can see. So when I send, it's basically sending a post request to the API that loads the send mailbox. And as I showed you, clicking on any email shows me the full message. I can even archive the emails from the detail view. So when I click archive, if I go to the inbox, I don't see it anymore. I only see it in the archive page because it's now archived. I can also unarchive it if I decide to change my mind, and now it's not in the archive but in the inbox now. So basically, to summarize, this project uses JavaScript to control the views and communicate asynchronously with the backend API coded with Django views. Thanks for watching.